Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for the invitation and giving me the opportunity to present newest product development at Noctiluca, which is NCEIL for material. However, beforehand, let me introduce Noctiluca and say a few words about who we are and what we do. We are a deep tech company located in Poland, focused on designing and producing materials for the product of the future. Currently, we operate in the main three areas. First pillar of our activity, which was also a starting point of Noctiluca, is own research and development strongly focused on the TADF emitters for the OLED applications. After some time and as a result of many interactions with the industry, we realized that we can support our customers acting as a chemical contract research organization, providing solutions in the other fields of than TADF emitters. That is how the second pillar of our activity was established. Knowing that for the best performance of OLEDs, high quality materials are a must, we decided to set up another pillar of our operation, which is the custom synthesis supported by a sublimation service. With this, we are able to lead any synthesis process of IP, free organic materials, in the field of broadly understood optoelectronics. We are located in the heart of Europe, Poland, but our team members and numbers of our partners, both from the industry and academia, with whom we establish a daily collaboration, are located worldwide. Few facts in our history. At the beginning of our road, in 2019, when Noctiluca was launched, we were focused only on the TADF design. This period in our history can call as a building up the technological platform. We were able to design and synthesize our emitters in-house, but unable to fabricate and characterize the entire device. That is why we launched our research lab in Korea. Later, lots of effort was made on building up a commercial pipeline. Number of various projects has started, and we evolved from being a designer of emitters to the producer of the materials for the products of the future. During that time, we also had our debut on the New Connect stock exchange board, similar Polish alternative to the US NASDAQ, and we've opened a new lab facility into it. Currently, as a result of intensive R&D work and various cooperations, we have reached industrial trials readiness. At the end of the last year, Noctiluca has moved into main board of Warsaw Stock Exchange. I hope now you have at least a feeling who we are and what we do. Thus, please let me introduce our newest product, NCEIL4, which we strongly believe might be a solution to the lifetime problems in blue OLED devices. One of the hottest topics in the OLED world is a new blue TADF emitter, which is supposed to improve device performance and extend the lifetime. Also, Noctiluca, through own in-house research, intensively is focusing on this subject. However, within the time, our approach to the rays of blue has evolved. The problem with the lifetime of blue-based OLEDs is right here, right now, and needs to be somehow solved. Looking at the simple structure of OLED diode, one can see that particular emitter is only one layer of many other layers within the entire stack. The other layers responsible for carrier electrons and holes also has a great importance in the entire structure. In the end, performance of these materials has a great contribution to the overall device performance, resulting in example in color saturation, brightness, and might have a great impact on the lifetime as well. That is why Noctiluca is aiming to be a designer and producer for the entire emissive layer MB. Our NCEIL4 material developed as a solution for real industrial need, is our proposal for electron injection layer material. After many internal tests, we found benefits of NCEIL4 in both performance in the device and as a material alone. We've compared our material to the common and well-known EIL material used in LEDs, which is LIQ. Devices based on our solution show significantly higher longer lifetime in comparison to LIQ-based reference. We have also observed beneficial reduction on a device working voltage. All that was achieved without compromising any other parameters of diode, such as turn-on voltage or influence on electroluminescence spectrum. Our material can be supplied as a high-purity sublimed grade, which is also very important. On the top of that, NCEIL4 dissolves well in polar solvents, what we think might be an interesting feature for the potential use in the inkjet printing applications. As we don't have too much time to present all the data, let me focus on the most important aspect, which is a lifetime improvement. For our test, we've used a bottom-emitting architecture and utilized the first-generation blue emitter. It has to be mentioned here as well that our research results are in line with the research at one of our industrial partners. The simple exchange of LIQ for NCEIL4 as an electron injection layer results not in several or dozen percentage improvement, but in 5-fold lifetime increase. We thought, can we do better than that? We decided to try to adopt electron transport layer with our solution while keeping NCEIL4 also as an electron injection layer. The results of this experiment lead us even for further lifetime improvement. We've reached, in comparison to LIQ-based device, improvement in lifetime by 15 times. These both sets of experiments proved that NCEIL4 can be used either as an electron injection material alone or as a combination of electron injection layer and dopant to the ETL layer. This is our proposal and contribution to the race of blue from the perspective other than emitters, on which, of course, further research at Noctiluca is ongoing. This year, we want to focus on finding the conditions that our material will perform best. We strongly believe this will lead us to increase the number of EIL materials in our portfolio very soon. Of course, you can find us via social media or through our web, and I'll be more than happy to assist in providing further details on our solution. Thank you for your attention and time.